1. Unsubscribe from emails. Is your inbox adding value to your life? For each email, ask, is this useful or necessary? If the answer is no, then unsubscribe. You can use an app like Unroll.me to help speed up the process. 2. Streamline your finances. A few automated processes will save you a ton of time and stress in the long run. Automate monthly payments, remove any unused subscriptions, automate your contributions towards investments, and set up a system to automatically deposit 20% of your paycheck into savings. 3. De-weaponize your device. Your phone is an all-consuming time vortex. Make it less dangerous with these steps. Set screen time limits, put your device in grayscale, turn off non-emergency notifications, and sort apps into folders based on identity. For example, I'm working, and I'm wasting time. 4. Get rid of one thing every day. Just one thing. For as many days as you can in a row. This is an easy way to find out which of your possessions truly matter. To add some healthy competition into the mix, do it with a friend. First to miss a day pays the other $10. 5. Build a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is a minimal collection of items that can be easily mixed and matched. Choose how many pieces you want. I suggest somewhere between 25 to 50. Sort through what you have already, then decide on a color palette. Keep essential and versatile items. Anything that you no longer need, donate. 6. Buy high-quality things. Cheap is almost always more expensive. Yes, you heard that right. Cheap products come with hidden costs. Repair time and fees, poor performance, frequent replacement, poor customer service. Save time and money by investing in quality. You buy cheap, you buy twice. You buy once, you cry once. 7. Prune your to-do list. If you have more than 3 priorities, then you don't have any. A good to-do list is short, prioritized, and put into your schedule. Don't overcomplicate it. 8. Use the 2-minute rule. If you can do a task in less than 2 minutes, then just do it now. Tasks have a tendency to become more difficult the longer we hold them off. The 2-minute rule will keep the decks clear. 9. Build an idea capture system. Your mind is for having ideas, not holding them. Anytime a thought interests, excites, or energizes you, capture it. A great piece of software is called Todoist, but you could also use Notion, Obsidian, or even a simple notebook or journal. Drop a 100 if you read this far. This shows you are part of the 0.01% who actually finish what they start. If you are serious about changing your life, then make sure to join our movement by leaving us a follow.